Hey, welcome to Life's Wristband, and today's topic is about a Reddit conversation that I had with a user today about yo-yo dieting. And man, he was on a 500 calorie a day diet for about 3 weeks, and then after about 5 months he gained all the weight back. And he was asking if that was a bad thing to keep doing that, and I'm like, yeah, it is. You know, your body doesn't like to lose more than 10% of its body weight. Then it starts to freak out, and it's going to say, we're eating pizza right now. Let's go out and get a gallon of ice cream. And it's going to try to put that weight back on. And you really have to maintenance that. And so you really are just taking out 300 to 400 calories a day for about 12 weeks. Good food, 80-20 rule. You know, 80% wholesome food, 20% fun stuff. And then, you know, after that 12 weeks, you can throw those calories back in, maintenance, let your body get used to it, and then you can go back onto a fat loss phase. And you just keep doing that, you know, until you get to the weight that you like. And that's kind of all it is to it. I know it sounds overly simplified, but that's kind of how it works. And now is the perfect time. It's almost October. There's hardly any distractions. You just had Thanksgiving and Christmas, and, you know, we can deal with those. There's tools to deal with that. So if you're, you know, wanting to get on a diet, now's the time. Start tracking your food. Start recording what you're eating. Look at the labels. Walk the grocery store. Peruse the shelves. Read the ingredients. Learn about proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. And, you know, the food industry is not our friend. So we have to do things to fix that. All right, we are in Allen. And did they know that I caught COVID? I couldn't believe that I caught COVID. I've been out for about a week. Not terrible. You know, when I first got COVID, I think all the exercise and stuff I was doing, it helped a lot. And but I did have some semi-severe symptoms. Not terrible. This time just felt like the flu. And so, you know, the difference between that is I lost another 30 pounds. And you know, I'm eating much healthier. I mean, I'm eating a lot healthier. And so I think this go around, knock on wood, wasn't too bad. I got this little nasal thing going on my nose. So hey, let me know, do you like the way my voice sounds in this video or in the older videos? Because, you know, I use DaVinci Resolve for my video editing, and I could probably add this sound to my videos, make it a little bit, I don't know, sound more soothing. Okay, so for you Reddit people out there that are only eating 500 calories a day, stop. Don't do it. It's not going to work. You know, just take out a few hundred and then maintenance after a while. Okay? All right, well, this is a short video, but I appreciate you, you know, hanging out with me on this short little trail. Really nice, by the way. And we'll see you a little bit lighter and a little bit healthier. Oh, like and subscribe. Thanks.